Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto E7 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids on this Motorola. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar, type Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Click at the three lines at the bottom right corner over here, choose Settings and tap I accept. Over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want to, and when you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!